Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another tutorial. So if you follow me on Instagram, you'd know that I put up a poll on there on my story the other night. I think it was like last Friday or something like that, just asking what you want to see on my channel next, whether it be an everyday look or a more natural look or bold look or more sparkle. And honestly, I got a really good response on nearly every single poll, and one of them was you guys wanted to see a bold look. Now since being Halloween and things like that, obviously you know I haven't been uploading like proper makeup tutorials, and I can't remember the last time I'd done a really good, nice, sultry, bold makeup look on my channel. So this is the look that I actually created. I absolutely love it. Honestly, the eyes look like they have a lot of stuff going on with them, but honestly I barely did anything with them whatsoever, so I'm really happy. This look like took me probably about 45 minutes all in all, and yeah, I just absolutely love it. It's very quick and very easy, but looks really sultry and I think looks really sexy as well. And obviously I had to pair it with a bold red lip just to make it look a lot more bolder and to make it stand out. But yeah, I also want to apologise for this croaky voice that's going on right now. So this video is pre-recorded, so you're watching it today, which is Monday, but I recorded it yesterday, which was Sunday, and then Saturday I had a gig with my sister. As you guys know, or if you don't know, me and my sister, we are actually in a duo together and we do gigs at different venues on different weekends. So last night was really, really good. I don't think we've had like a really good gig like we did like last night. Like every gig is really, really good, but last night was really, really good. Like the atmosphere was good, the place was really, really full, and everyone was just loving it, was up dancing and things like that. And when you have a good gig like that, literally it just shatters you out, but it's really, really good. And literally we was singing from 9 till 12, so this is probably why I've got this croaky voice, but honestly it doesn't really matter because it was a fantastic gig. So I'm going to stop rambling anyway. I just wanted to fill you in on that little croaky voice. But yeah, I'm going to get straight into this tutorial now. So without further ado, if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram page. So first, to prep and prime my skin, I'm going to go in with the Quick Fix Mist from Urban Decay. My skin has been really, really dry lately because I've just been like catching loads of cold, so I just want to hydrate before applying my makeup. And then I'm going to start off with my brows. I don't usually do this, but I thought I would just show you a new product which I have picked up, which is the new L'Oreal High Contour Brow Artist, and I'm in the shade Warm Brunette. And this like pencil is like really, really good. Sometimes it is like a little bit hard to define your shape, but once you get used to it, it is like really, really good. The pencil's really nice and soft, and it's very, very thin and small, so it is really, really good. And lately I'm just loving a really nice natural brow, so this is what I'm using lately. I just absolutely love it. Then to carve them out, I'm going to go in with the Rimmel Wake Me Up Concealer in the shade Ivory. And I always like to carve out my brows just because it helps them make them look a lot more sharper and a lot more cleaner and defined. Obviously you can skip this step, but it's just a step that I always like doing. And then I'm also going to be priming my eyelids using this concealer as well, and then blending it out with a small stippling brush. Going in with the 35 Morphe palette, I'm going to be setting my lid with the lightest colour in the palette, and this is just going to help all the eyeshadows we're applying later on blend really, really nicely. Then starting off the whole lid, I'm going to go in with the lightest shade of brown in this palette. I forgot to show you, but I'm sure you guys know what what shade it is. I'm literally going to sweep this across my lid just to add a pop of colour. Then I'm going to go in with a darker shade brown and just start winging this eye look out. So what you want to do is literally go in with darkest brown shade. So you want to start off with the lightest and then start deepening it up. Then once I've applied this shade, I'm just going to like fluffing it up to my crease so it does look a little bit more blended. So as you can see, again, I'm taking a more darker colour. Sorry, this is more of a maroon brown colour, but it works really, really nice with this eye look. So yeah, I'm just kind of repeating what I'm doing here. I'm just going to go in with another darker brown and just go over the top of that and just make it a lot more darker and just make it look a lot more defined and smoky. Then for liquid liner today, I'm going to go in with NYX That's the Point eyeliner. I did use this in my first impressions and I didn't really like it, but it worked really nicely in this eye look, just because I did want to do a more thinner wing. And as I did say in my first impressions, they work perfect for thinner wings. And then to smoke that out and add a little more black into this look and make it a lot more sultry, I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette in the shade Black Truffle. And you just want to literally start blowing out that wing liner and making it look a lot more smoky, but make sure you do blend it out as well, because it is a black shade, so you want to be adding a bit by bit at each time, so don't add it all at once. And yeah, it just makes it look a lot more sultry, I think. And then over the top of that, I just went in with the same shade brown that we started off with, just to help blend out that black a little bit more. Then for mascara, I'm going to go in with the Bad Girl mascara from Benefit Cosmetics just before we apply any lashes. Then whilst them lashes are drying, I'm going to go in with the highlighter end of that High Contour Brow Artist L'Oreal brow stick, and literally just highlight my brow bone and blend it out a little bit with my finger. Then moving on to lashes, I'm going to go in with the Revlon Beyond Natural Lashes. These are my favourite at the moment. They're very subtle, but they're very fluffy at the same time, so they do give a nice sultry look to the eye, and it just works perfect for this look. Then I'm just going to take the lightest shade brown and the darkest shade brown out of the 35 Morphe palette and just define the lower lash. Then again, just applying that same Bad Girl Bang mascara to the bottom of our lashes. Moving on to bronzer and contour and all that good stuff, I'm going to go in with the Bronzing Pearls from Avon, and the first shade I'm going to use is in the shade Cool. This is just to add a little bit more definition and colour to our face, and then the second shade is in the shade Warm Glow. This is just slightly darker and it's just going to add a lot more bronzy and contour to our face. And then for blusher, I'm going to go in with the shade Sweet Thing Spotlight Powder and just apply it to the apples of my cheeks. Then I'm going to carve out my cheekbones just to clean up any mess I usually make and just to define and make it a lot more sharper. Then going in with the highlighter palette from Soph in collaboration with Revolution Makeup, I'm just going to highlight my face where I usually would, which is my brow bone, inner corner, cheekbone, my nose and my Q's bow. I literally forgot then, my brain literally went dead. I need sleep, I think. Then spraying my face using the Matte Finish Fixing Mist from NYX, and then bouncing my damp beauty blender over my face so it all blends nicely together. Then for lips, I'm going to use the lip kit from Kylie in the shade Mary Jo K. I did really want a bold lip for this look, and we always know red is always the bold lip we always go for, apart from a deep purple. So yeah, I literally think this brought the look together and made it stand out a lot more. So guys, this is the end result. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. I definitely enjoyed creating this look. As I said, I haven't created a bold look on my YouTube channel, which seems like forever. So yeah, I'm really happy the way it turned out. But yeah, also let me know what you want to see next on my channel. I know some of you guys do get a bit shy in the comment section below and you don't always tell me what you want to see. But yeah, please do, because it helps me out and I just want to create content that you guys want to see. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page so you know what's going on and you know when my next video is going up, and also so you can get involved with me and we can chit chat on there and also do some polls and things like that. I also want to do a question and answer video on my channel, so let me know if you do want to see that. But yeah, I'm going to start rambling and literally end this video because I have nothing else to say other than I love you all so much. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.